This video is for lesson 39-2, using Venn diagrams in situations that involve the word and, the word or the word not. Do you remember that situation in the previous lesson about choosing students from Annabelle High School, and that the number of students that were in art class or played basketball could be shown in a Venn diagram? Here we have that Venn diagram, but without the numbers written in it. The region where the two circles overlap is called the intersection of sets A and B. The symbol for intersection is this symbol here. Sort of looks like an upside down U. The probability that a selected student takes art class and plays basketball could be shown using P for probability, and then in parentheses showing the intersection of A and B. So this intersection symbol means the same thing as using the word and to combine criteria. Now take a look at the next page, question B. Show the region that represents a student who takes art class or plays basketball. This time it would be everything in this circle along with everything in circle B, and certainly the overlapping areas included. Using the word or to combine criteria expands the number of choices that fits the event. Using the word or shows a union of two sets, and the symbol for union is this symbol, which looks like a U. Notice that this is the same as the previous symbol but upside down. So the one that looks like a U is for union, and the one that's upside down is for intersection. Now question C. Show the region that represents the event that a selected student does not take art. So everything that's not in the art circle, that would be all of this. Everything not in any of the circles, but along with all of these who are only in circle B. What is shaded is the complement of set A. And one way to write complement using symbols is A, and then in the upper corner to write C for complement. A complement. On the next page, this vocabulary is summarized. So the intersection of two sets is the situation where the student has art class and plays basketball. The symbol for that uses this upside down U. Counting everything in the circles is the situation where the student takes art or plays basketball. That is called a union, and it uses the letter U. Finally, the count of things that are not in event A is called the complement of event A. It's represented using the word not, meaning not in A, and in symbols it's shown like this. Let's try the check your understanding number 2. Suppose a student is selected at random from Annabelle High School. S is the event the student plays soccer. H is the event the student's on the honor roll. In this drawing, shade the region that represents the event S intersected with H. I'll pause the video for you to show that. The intersection of S and H is the overlapping region. It represents the situation where the student plays soccer and at the same time is on the honor roll. Now go to question C. Shade the region that represents the event S union H. I'll pause the video for you to do that. This time you needed to shade in everything that's in both of the circles. This represents finding the students in the school that are in soccer or they're on the honor roll. Now question E. Shade the region representing H complement. I'll pause the video for you to do that. This would be everything that's not in H. So it would be the rest of circle S as well as the box surrounding circle H. This means all of the students in the school who are not on the honor roll. For number 3, let's practice using the different symbols for intersection, union, and complement. Consider picking a vehicle at random in a city. Denote the event that the vehicle is a sedan using an S, and that the vehicle is black by using a B. Write the following probabilities in probability notation using these symbols to show the combination of criteria. So question A, the probability the vehicle is black. You would show that as P for probability, and in the parentheses, simply writing a B for black. Now show the probability the vehicle is not black. You would say P, and then say B with that C in the corner, which means the complement of being black. Question C, the probability the vehicle is a black sedan. So you'd write P for probability, but you want it to be a black sedan, so you would say B intersected by S. You have to have this symbol in the correct direction. Now question D, what's the probability the vehicle is a sedan or it's black? I'll pause the video for you to try that. This time it's P and then B union S. Question E, the probability the vehicle is a sedan and it's not black. It would be P, and then for sedan is S. The word and is an intersection symbol, and then not black would be the B with that C in the corner. Finally, F, what's the probability the vehicle is a sedan or is not black? I'll pause the video for you to try that. You would write P for probability, S for sedan, the union symbol to be the word or, and then for not black, you'd say B with that little C in the corner to mean the complement of being black. The point of all of this is that once you learn these symbols, it makes it a lot quicker to write out different criteria that you'd be finding the probability of. Let's summarize. In this lesson, we discussed combining criteria in probability situations using the word and, or, and not. And we connected those words to the ideas of intersections of sets and unions of sets. For intersection, there's a symbol that looks like this, and for unions, there's a symbol that looks like this. The one that looks like a U goes with union. The one that looks more like an upside down U, or maybe even an N, goes with intersection.